lovely legs. Beautiful. Hannah. Oh, your hair's so cute. You're beautiful. Beautiful. It's true. Chris, look what you're missing. Look what you're missing. Ooh. I gave her a makeover, so she's beautiful. Not that she wasn't beautiful already, but now she's just drop dead hot.
Smoking.
It's the smoky eyes I gave her. Okay, Hannah, look so I can zoom. Come closer so I can zoom in closer. Scoot the boot over here. Wait. All I got was button. Okay, yes, okay. Where? Okay, you were just doing this on purpose.
Do what?
The butt thing. Now come here, come here, come here. Okay. Hey, if you're gonna sew it, come here.
What, please?
Beautiful.
Please.
Okay, that's a little too far. Okay, that's better. You're beautiful. Okay, thank you, Doc.